Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will learn how to make the meter gear in SolidWorks with the help of toolbox, and we will see material selection for the meter gear. Along with that we will cover why do we use meter gear and difference between meter gear and bevel gear. So let's get started. Let's see a simple method to make meter gear with the help of toolbox. First of all, go to the design library, select toolbox. If you don't have toolbox option here, click on the small arrow besides of option, select add-ins. Here SolidWorks toolbox library, click on this two box, click OK. Now again go to the design library, toolbox. Here we have so many options. If your values are in inches, then select ANSI inch. ANSI is American National Standards Institute, so you can select that. Our values are in millimeter, so we'll select ISO. Select power transmission here, select gears. Here we have straight meter gear. Right click on meter gear and select create part. When you open it for the first time, gear looks like this. Now we have to change these values as per our requirement. So we'll select module 7. Number of teeth, we'll select 20. Pressure angle, we'll keep it 20. Face width, we'll select 50. Hub diameter, we'll change it to 50. This circle is the hub. Mounting distance, we'll change it to 200. Nominal shaft diameter, this small hole is the nominal shaft diameter, so we'll select 15. Keyway, we have two options here, square 1 and square 2. Square 2 means it will provide two slots for key. We need only one slot, so we'll select square 1. So this is the slot for the key and click OK. Now we can change the background. Select the small arrow besides of applied scene and select whatever background you want. For now we select this default. Now we'll see material selection for meter gear. Meter gears are usually made of stainless steel because it has better corrosion resistance property. So go to the appearance, select metals, select steel. Here we have so many options. For now we'll select this satin finish stainless steel. Drag this appearance and drop on the gear and select body. Now we will see why we use the meter gear and what is the difference between bevel gear and meter gear. Meter and bevel gear are specifically designed for efficient transmission of power and motion between intersecting shaft at right angle. Meter gears are special type of bevel gears designed to operate in pairs with equal number of teeth, diameter pitches, and meter gears are always work in the 1:1 ratio. This is the main difference between meter gear and bevel gear. In bevel gear, you can use speed reduction as well, but not in meter gear. So this is our meter gear. Try to make it. And if you have any query, ask in the comment section. If you find this video informative, like this video and subscribe to the channel for upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching this video.